I'm now at the other section of the World Cup. It just looks so pretty. Look at these women, the woman here. It's just so real life. Anyway, this exhibition, this Chengdu Art Museum is located in downtown Chengdu. Just take the metro to Tianfu Square 92, and it's about 10 minutes walk from the metro station. And then advisable to bring an umbrella because although now it's September, but it's been raining for the past few evening to night from like 4 to 8 p.m. But then in the afternoon it's really hot. Bring a cap or something. This is nice, right? It's very lifelike. Greetings from Chengdu, Sichuan, China. Today I'm at the Sichuan Art Museum. It's an interesting museum with lots of stuff to explore. Let's go. Let's continue our tour. Some of these paintings are really abstract, meaning you can't really understand them. But others, they are easy to understand. We know the dog, and that one, the blue color one, is abstract. I think it takes months or even 1 year to complete one canvas painting like this. So beautiful. I've been here 2 rounds already. I think this is very nice. The Sichuan Opera. It's just so intricate. It's just so amazing. But the thing about the painting is they're really big size. So if you wanted to buy some running home, you can't, because the artists left it here for exhibition. Secondly, you need some kind of transport and to preserve them. Otherwise, you'll be not in good condition when it's delivered to your home. There's dance. Wow. Alright, here I am at level 2. There's a third World Cup Sichuan Youth Oil Painting Exhibition from 13th September to 8th of October. So here we go. Oil paintings are my favorite because they are really interesting to watch. Very real lifelike. Wow. Look at it. I'm at the top floor of the museum now. There's an exhibition going on, but before that there are some of the photos of those artists. And here we go inside. There's aircon, very comfortable, but there's no English words. It's just Chinese. I guess doesn't matter, right? These are the wartime portraits. War power. These are the prisoners. 1945. The bad news is on level 1, they are undergoing some kind of renovation, so the 2 exhibition halls are currently closed, but not to worry because I have a good day today. Nice seeing the exhibitions, and then most of all it's free. There's nothing to complain, and a good visit. So I'm going to the next destination, the Wenshu Yuan Monastery Temple. So now subscribe if you have not done so to get the latest update, and also give a like so that more people can find it. Thanks very much, and I look forward to see you guys in my next video. Take care everyone, and bye bye.